Welcome to On the Surf. I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Sandra.
This is the kids, Hector and Jack. And these are the dogs. Follow us on our adventures on the seas. Please like, share and subscribe. It's free. Stay tuned. Yeah, now it's time to get the boat out of the water. That means open all seacocks. So the last water that's in the hose will siphon out, at least most of it. Pump as much water out of the water system as possible. The tank is empty. I did that on the way back with the electric pump. Yeah. Now it's about empty. Just continue open all the seacocks in the boat. Well, now it's time to get the trailer in the water and then get the boat on the trailer. Well, since I submerge my trailer when I launch and get the boat up, you need to grease the bearings on the axle so it won't get destroyed. I have a full video on how to do that. I will leave a link below. Yeah, and then it's just getting home. I will start driving as soon as I've greased this, and then we will continue back home. Yeah, now we are ready to start the drive back home. We are all packed up and greased up, so let's get to it. Slow and steady, off we go. So now it's home, time to start cleaning, get all the barnacles off before they dry. If you take them directly when they are still wet, it's much easier to get it off. Yeah, of course you need to give the whole boat a good clean, but I won't bore you with that. You know, probably, hopefully, you know how to clean a boat or a car or anything. Yep, the dinghy is as clean as it's gonna be, so now it's just continue with the boat. And make sure to get all the barnacles off. Now the boat and the dinghy is cleaned. I have a ozone generator. It produces ozone. It's running in the boat right now, and it's been running for about 2 hours. It's on a timer, so it's the maximum time is 2 hours. And ozone is really nasty stuff. It kills basically everything. So now I'm going in and resetting the timer. Make sure that you don't breathe in the ozone. It's real nasty stuff. It kills basically everything: spiders, bugs, mold, everything. I run it right now when we take up the boat, and before we empty the boat. That means that all traces of mold is killed, so it doesn't grow over the winter. Same with the bugs and spiders and everything else that might live on the boat. Take a deep breath, hold your breath, and get in to reset the ozone generator timer. Yeah, that little thing is the ozone generator. Yeah, if you are running an ozone generator, make sure to vent out the compartment before you go in. Right now we are running it. We have run it for about 2 hours, and we are going to run it for 2 more hours. That's gonna make a really high concentration of ozone in the boat. That will kill everything living, both animals, insects, and traces of mold. And it's gonna set, and no one is going in the boat until tomorrow, and that should be enough for venting out the ozone. The ozone has a really strong smell to it, so if you smell it, don't go in, let it vent some more. And tomorrow we are going to prepare the engine and seacocks and through hulls and everything like that for the winter. So see you tomorrow. Yeah, here I am in the basement editing videos for you, and while my software exports the video, I'm looking at catamarans. Haven't found my next project boat yet. I will find one someday. And if you know of any catamarans projects in really bad shape, just let me know, and hopefully I can restore it and bring it back to life. Stay tuned for following projects. Leave a comment below if it's anything particular you want to see, and if you already haven't, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and hit that, I think it's down here somewhere, that little bell, so you get a notification when any new videos is uploaded. Stay tuned.